it is Sheila and welcome to today's video. Well guys, we're going to get straight into today's video because this is a Stitch Fix for the month of July. And for those of you who don't know what Stitch Fix is, it's pretty simple. Stitch Fix is an online styling service. You go online, you'll fill out a style profile, and for $20, a stylist will put 5 pieces in a box for you and send them to you. You get to try everything on in the comfort of your own home. You have 3 days to try it all on, and you only pay for what you keep and you send back the rest. And it's free shipping both ways. Now, anything you keep in your box, your $20 styling fee gets subtracted off the total. And also, if you would like to try Stitch Fix for your first time, I have a referral link down below for a $25 credit off your first box. So that's an awesome way to take advantage of Stitch Fix for your first time. So definitely use my referral link down below. And with that said, let's go ahead and we're gonna get straight into today's box. Now I have 4 items of clothing and 1 pair of shoes. So we are gonna start with the first item out, and this is a Daniel Rain top. Now I'm going to split the screen in half because some of you guys have been saying you like that. So I'm going to hold the item up over here, and on one side you will see me trying it on. And this first item out is Daniel Rain, and this is a Megan tassel detail top in the color white, of course, as you can see, and this is $74. Yes, we all know Daniel Rain is a little bit pricey, but first, let's talk about some of the highlights of this shirt. I liked the look of this shirt. It had a very beachy feel to me, if you guys know what I mean. It's very light and breezy, and I love the tassel details. It just lent to a very, I just felt like I could walk on the beach with this shirt. That was what I felt when I put this shirt on. But there were some drawbacks besides the price of $74. But the drawbacks, unfortunately for me, is this is a 100% rayon top, which means dry clean only. Now, on my next fix, I am definitely going to tell them, do not send me any more rayon because I'm not going to dry clean. I've already figured this out about myself. I will put it in the washer and it's going to shrink and it's going to look horrible, and I'm not going to spend that much money. I need something easy wash and wear clothes. So while I love this, besides the rayon, I also did not like the sleeve length. The sleeve length was pulling me, it just hit me in a strange place. It wasn't like a full length, but it wasn't 3/4 either. So that was kind of odd. And then the other thing that I did not care for was it was so see-through. It was really like you would have to wear a cami on underneath this, or you would be exposing people to things you might not want to expose people to, if you know what I mean. So while it's a lovely top, I love the vibe of it. I love the beachy feel. I almost smelt the beach when I put this on, if you guys know what I mean. So I really appreciate the look and the style of it. But there were just some drawbacks that's definitely going to go back for me because I can't pay $74 when it's not perfect. Now, what I paired it with were these jeans. And these jeans are Silver Jean Company, which I don't think I've ever got any Silver Jean, got any jeans from Silver Jean Company. Have you guys? I can't remember anybody getting these, so I don't know if this is a new line at Stitch Fix. And these are called the Elsie Capri Cuffed Jeans, and this color is indigo, and these are $74 too. Yeah. But I thought it really nice with that white Daniel Rain top, right? And it just completed that whole beachy feel. And I like the pockets in the back. The pockets were cute. I like the design that the pockets had. And as you can see, I like the coloring on it. It was very summery looking pair of jeans with some fading in the front and just a nice cuffed jean at the bottom. So overall, I like these, but I'm gonna end up sending these back because 2 reasons. $74, no, I would, but I already own capris so similar to this. I could probably pull out 2 pairs of capris out of my closet right now, almost identical to this. So there's no reason for me to spend $74 on something I already have. But I say they're fabulous jeans, and if you like these, definitely request them. I had no issues with these jeans at all. So I recommend them if you're looking for a pair of jeans. Now, with that outfit, I put the shoes that they sent me, and these were Dulce Vida, and these are the Rammy strappy slide sandals in the color cami in the size 8.5. Thank you guys. I've been complaining, saying stop sending me 8s because they've been sending me 8s, and they finally are listening to me, and they're sending me 8.5s, and these are $65. Now, I absolutely love the style of these shoes. I loved the square toe right here in the front. I don't have that many shoes that have that square look to it, and I love the different patterns on each strap. And right here on the side, you can see it has a slight rise, and this was very, very comfortable. I had no problem with comfort. Now, there's no padding on here, but it doesn't hurt my feet. It's more solid. But the issue I personally had with these is right here. This is where my pinky, I have very wide toes or a very wide foot, and my pinky will escape right here. So for that reason, these are going to be a no, even though I like the look of them, and I liked how they had the slight rise right there, kind of lifted your foot a little bit, and I just like the look of it, and I don't have any front square toe shoes like that. But unfortunately, these are going to go back too. So guys, this box is not looking too good for me, but I'm loving the look. It's just there are a couple issues with everything, unfortunately. Okay, so now we have another Daniel Rain top, and this one is called the Kendall Lace Detail Top, teal green, size large, for $64. Now this is the classic Daniel Rain top that I truly, truly love. This is why I like him. For me personally, my problem area is right here, and he has this way of cutting clothes that just hang. They're not too big, they're not too tight, and they kind of camouflage and have a very feminine feel, and that's why I like him. And he does not disappoint on the cut and shape of this shirt in any way, shape, or form. It has a very pretty flutter sleeve arm, very feminine. It has a slight, what do you call that, notched out neckline right there. It has this cute little crochet detail that goes in the front right there. And in the back, it also has that crochet detail going in the back. On the side, underneath the arms, it had a vanity panel. Let me see if right there where it won't show your bra strap, so I really appreciate that about it. But the thing about this, it is rayon too. Yes, rayon. So that means dry clean only, and I'm not going to do it, so it's not looking good. 4 out of 5. We're going down, guys. We're going down. Even though it's pretty, I'm not going to spend $74 on something I got to take that much care of. I am a wash and wear person. I have decided this about myself, so I'm not going there. Okay, now the last item out is this, and this is a Liverpool, and this is a Josette raw hem denim skirt in the color indigo for $58. Okay, this was the best priced item out of the box by far. And this is a very easy to wear slip-on skirt. There are no buttons, no zippers, no nothing. You just pull this up. A great amount of stretch. There's nothing to get in the way. Like if you want to wear a top, nothing's going to show right here. It does have pockets in the back, but who uses pockets? Well, sometimes I do use my back pockets for my phone if I'm in a crunch. But it had this cute detail right here at the pockets that I liked. And the thing that I really, really enjoyed was the raw hem detail. And I think it was a good length too. It wasn't too short, it wasn't too long. It was that in between, or that perfect length for me. But just like the capris, I could pull out 2 denim skirts that I have right now that are so similar to that, but there's no reason for me to buy this. It would be a waste of money, even though I like it and I think it's a great skirt. So I'm glad to be able to show it to you, and if you guys are interested, I would recommend it, and you could request it from your stylist. But with that said, the wrap up of this video is going to be super simple and easy, guys, because nothing's being kept in this box. The 2 Daniel Rain tops are 100% rayon, dry clean only, $74 a piece. I'm not paying that for and having to dry clean it. And the denim skirt, I already own so many denim skirts similar, and same thing with the capris. And the sandals, the slides, my pinky toe will do the escape route. So what did you guys think of this box? I would love to hear in the comments section. Even though I'm sending everything back, I think there were some really good solid products or some good items in this box. Just a couple issues. So I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.